MSK Animation. Hi friends, this video explains the lives of several animals around us. There are cows, pigs, chickens, ducks, dogs, goats, horses, birds, and many others. These animals are cute friends. See the fun. Let's go. Cows are nursing. After giving birth, dairy cows will experience a strong natural urge to produce milk. The period of lactation or lactation is the period when the cow is producing milk after giving birth, partum. The dog is a descendant of a domesticated wolf. Also called the domestic dog, it derives from the extinct Pleistocene wolf, and the modern wolf is the dog's closest relative. Cats, also known as domestic cats or house cats, are carnivorous mammals from the Felidae family. The word cat usually refers to cat which has been domesticated, but can also refer to big cats such as lions and tigers, which are also cats. Frogs are members of the diverse and mostly carnivorous group of tailless amphibians, which make up the order Anura. Mother and rooster. Chickens are poultry animals that are usually kept for their meat, eggs and feathers. Sheep are one of the four-legged ruminants with thick hair that are known to many. Sheep were one of the first types of animals to be domesticated for agricultural purposes and raised for their wool, meat and milk.